like.
Welcome to Motorbike News channel.
The most noticeable difference with the Bonneville Black is the more muscular stance created by a thicker front wheel and heftier fork. Instead of the regular Bobber's 190/-19 front tire, the Bobber Black uses a 130/-16 tire. Triumph also swapped out the Bobber's 41mm KYB fork for a 47mm Showa unit, offering the same 3.5 inches of travel. The front brakes also receive an upgrade, with the Black receiving a second 310mm rotor and two-piston Brembo calipers replacing the Nissins on the regular Bobber. The 5-inch circular headlight maintains the Bonneville family's classic feel, while the LED gives it a distinct modern look. Unfortunately, the LED and DRL is not homologated for North American streets. The engine remains the same high-torque 1200 cc's parallel twin-powering the Bobber. Triumph claims a peak output of 77 horsepower at 6100 RPMs and 78.2 pounds-ft at 4000 RPMs.